I just got back from a deposition, a question and answer session involving a dentist where our claim was that he pulled out the wrong teeth. You want to learn what my first question was? Come join me. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial attorney practicing law here in the state of New York. The very first question I asked him was, "Doctor, it was your intention to remove a baby tooth, correct? And instead you pulled out an adult tooth, correct? And you would agree that it would be a departure from good and accepted dental practice to pull out an incorrect tooth, true?" Yes. Now, I had exactly everything that I needed to establish liability in the case. So why didn't I just stop at that point? The reason why I didn't stop is because I wanted to know if the doctor was going to be claiming various defenses. I wanted to know if he was going to be claiming certain excuses, such as, "Oh, I didn't realize that the x-ray showed this," or "Somebody told me to pull out this tooth and instead I pulled out a different tooth." I had to know whether or not the doctor would be claiming that somebody did something that would then cause him to pull out the incorrect tooth. Now, why would you do that? Because this is called discovery. During the question and answer session that's given under oath, the doctor has his attorney present, and I'm there to question the doctor about what happened and why. And I want to know at that point, this is pre-trial testimony that's being given, and I want to know exactly why he did what he did and what were the reasons for it. And I showed him, I said, "Doctor, here is the piece of paper from this particular dentist who recommended that this tooth be pulled. Do you see that? Yes. Is there anything ambiguous about that? No. Is there anything vague about that? No. Is there anything unclear about that particular instruction? No. And were you able to identify that particular tooth? Yes. And did you know where it was anatomically and structurally? Yes. Then explain to me, doctor, why you took out the wrong tooth." And his answer was, "I don't know." And that's a perfect answer for me because, again, it clearly establishes liability, and I was able to get the doctor to admit that it is a departure from good and accepted dental care to remove an incorrect tooth, to remove the tooth that was not intended to be pulled. So why do I tell you this? I tell you this to give you an insight and an understanding into how the legal process works here in the state of New York. And chances are you're watching this video because you have questions or concerns about your particular matter. And if you do, I welcome your call and I encourage you to pick up the phone and call me if your matter happened here in the state of New York. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at lawmed10@yahoo.com. I'm Gerry Oginski here in New York. Thanks for watching.